Welcome traders. We're going to do another video now just of gold analysis as it stands, looking at some potential trade ideas that we might be able to take in today's sessions. Obviously we're heading towards pre-NY now and going into the NY session about 1:30. First thing I want to make everyone aware of is the news. I'll just swing that over now. Okay, here we go. So we can see at 1:30 we've got PPI news, high impact red folder news, and then at 3 o'clock we've also got consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. So we want to be wary around those times about how price might react to the news that comes out, and will the technicals back up the fundamentals. But let's have a little look at the chart now. We've got the 4-hour chart here. If we just literally mark off there, that was the all-time high as of last week that we can now see we've broken through. And then we've also got a support here on the 4-hour. And at the minute, obviously, this candle's not closed, so we don't really know what that's going to do. Let's get down into the lower time frames to see what price is showing us there. Right, okay, let's move this up slightly. We can see that price left the all-time high and created a bit of a support there, and we've got that support there. We can see also now on the hourly time frame that a resistance has formed at the top, and that we're sort of in this zone at the minute where price is bouncing around. As you can see, the candles are getting a little bit smaller, but it is a heavily bullish market, so I would have said that the things you want to be looking for today are buys. And to be fair, at the minute we've got a support that's formed on the 30-minute. There we go. I should make that a bit bigger. So yeah, so we've got a bit of a better idea and understanding now. This was the all-time highs previously. We've broke up, created a support, broke up, making another all-time high. We've come down and we've now got the support level here. To be fair, at the minute, I would be looking at buys. And if we can start to go down to the 15-minute, how's that showing? Shows a small resistance there. So it's very tricky now. The candles are starting to get smaller. We're probably going to see prices going to consolidate a little bit until news comes out now, where you might start to get your next pushes. But as you can see here, on the 15-minute and on the 30-minute, we've not really got any clean ranges. I mean, there's a possible range below where you've got about 100 pips that you could move into, and then potentially up to here we're looking at 60 pips. They're small ranges. So what I would do is I would wait for price to show its move from the news. Hopefully then you can see some clean candles, and that will give us a better indication of where we can take trades. As I say, for me, I'm going to wait until gone 1:30, wait for candles to print. If we get a hard push up, there is a chance you might be able to catch some pips as it pulls back towards this level to retest it before it moves again. As I say, if it pushes down hard, then we'll be looking at these two levels to see if it can form a support, and then maybe we can push back up. But what you want is clean ranges, clean candles, make easy money. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Let's see what news brings, and we'll see if we can get some pips. Take it easy. Remember, life is not a dress rehearsal. You only get one shot. Let's all go for it.